Lost tools slowing you down? Trist is organized and secure tool bag. Tool bag is made with high-quality 1/6-layer G polyester fabric, which is durable and abrasion-resistant, waterproof base, and a sturdy structure meant to keep your tools protected. Organization meets efficiency, 36 pockets design, large capacity for all your essential tools, durable zippers for secure closure, and compartment organization. Keep your tools in place. Always. Our tool bag organizer is designed with strategically placed pockets. Tool bag with 15 built-in deep pockets for organized storage. Large capacity for all your essential tools. Tool bag featuring elastic retention straps for puggled organization. Plastic handle is suitable for carrying heavy objects while carrying for a long time without deform. The padded shoulder strap and dual handle design ease the load, even when packed with 50 pounds of gear. The tool bag features 10 fixed deep pockets inside, built for long-lasting use. While others are still searching, you're already working, carried your way and always ready for action.